Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Squid Game Player in the Sprunki style. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the head with a circle. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. And then inside, let's draw a curve across at the top. And then a curve underneath. And then color both of the pupils in black. Now let's hop up and let's draw a curve on top of each eye for the eyebrows. And then a line underneath for the mouth. Lastly, for the head, we're going to draw some hair at the top. Let's start in the center and let's draw a curve down to the left and bring it up. And the same on the right side. Now from both ends, let's curve it down and up again. And then from both ends, let's angle it down to the sides. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and draw the body. Underneath the head, let's draw 2 angles down. And then a line across the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a curve across at the top. And then a line down the center. Now on both sides, let's draw another line down. Now at the top, on both sides, let's draw a line down and out. And then underneath, we're going to draw a rectangle shape on both sides. Next, let's draw a circle inside the left rectangle, with another circle inside. And then for the right rectangle, you can draw whatever number you want, and I'm going to draw the number 100. Now let's move down to the bottom and let's draw a line across on both sides. And then add some vertical stripes inside. And that's it for the Squid Game Player. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!